Okay, so this is a chair which broke. Somebody was sitting on it. Normally, people would throw away the chair if it's in a broken condition, but decided to investigate. Found that the welding here, I hope you can see it. You'll come closer and take a look. The welding here had, broken, and the main metal pipe here with the seat frame that had got disconnected. That was the issue. So all it took was, I had to take it to the welding shop nearby, told him to weld it, and then I'm just going to assemble the seat back, and we should be getting this chair back to, as it was. Gives it a fresh lease of life, and it'll keep going strong for a few more years, because everything else is fine. The seat just comes off based on 4 bolts here. So once I position that here, chair is back to its original condition.